Hello again. The mailman has just been here and is used Hubsan drone, and there's another packet from China, and I will open it a bit. Is John Olsen from Mongo TV and Mongo drones. I ordered a lot of stuff from China, drones, batteries and charger. So I will sit here and open what's in the box today. I have a scissor. I don't know if I can put the camcorder because it's on 1x zoom, so I maybe have to put it at the window here to record. So I like to see what's inside the box today. I had buy this. This was only $15 second hand, this Hubsan, but I pay him $9 American dollars more to shipping. So it was yesterday, so I pay 155 kroner Danish. It's about $22. Because I need some spare motors, so I don't know if it's working, but the motors to this Hubsan 108 was damaged 24 hours after I got it. And in Denmark, if you need to order 4 original Hubsan motors, it will be the same. I pay about $25 plus shipping. So on this I buy this second hand, but I will not start to, if this drone is working, I will not start to damage. I will not take the motors out. I can maybe use as a gift or something, but I should not buy a bit low of money. I spent a lot of money. Let's see. Oh, it's a very old one. But this is the old transmitter. I think this is the first. It's not the second new edition of Hubsan, but there is a battery. It's cost $8-9 in Denmark, and there's a charging. So I don't think this is a new version, and it's very dirty. But I will go and get my other Hubsan 107. But this is my Hubsan. But it looks very. This is the battery I got. This is this is fully charged. It's actually feel like a bit more heavy. So that's a strange one. But now I have a digital weight too. Let's see. This is but I don't think it's the same, but it looks the same for me. This is why I bought. This is the second hand I got, and this is a new one. The painting on the plastic look the same. So, but I think it's the same, but it's just this is dirty. It look very much the same to me. I think it's the same model, but the transmitter is different. This have this antenna, and this have no antenna. So I don't know, but this 8.5 and the original Hubsan, this is 8.1. So actually there's a difference in the battery. I could feel it was a bit more heavy, but this is 8.1 and this is 8.6 or 5, so it's a half a gram, but I can feel it was a bit more heavy. So let's see, but looks like the same for me. It's just old. We can try to weight it. This is the one I got now, second hand, and it's 28.2. This is the second hand, and then this my this is the second edition. And this is 28.3. So I think it's the same drone. But this is 0.1 gram lighter. But let's see if it works. But maybe the motors is the same, but I don't know if it's working. But this is I will put the original battery inside. So I don't know if this was a good buy or not. So I will do the calibration. Maybe it's not working. Let's see if we got a bip. And we got a bip. And the LED light is not the same. It's not red. I think it's an older version. This is red. Have it. But it's working. But I should not fly here. But I think one of the propel is damaged. Yes, the propel is not very well. But I should not fly in here. But it's working. But this is an older version. I can get one more battery. I can try to take it off and transmitter off. Then I put the battery in my own. I don't think it was not a good buy, because it was older version Hubsan. So I think I should take one motor out to the 108, and I will do the transmitter. Then I connect. This is the second-hand dirty one, but it's an old version. I can see the LED light is not the same. You can see this. This is the new one. Is red, but the frame looks like the same. So I don't know if we can. Can only bind one. We cannot fly two drones. Okay, but I will go and put this in the box so it's not messed up. And I have to take my battery charger, and I will take this is my battery, and this is the battery I got. I will charge it. So, but I don't think this was not a good buy. But now I will charge this battery, and I got a spare USB, and I got some screws, and propellers is not good. This one is damaged on the tip, and this is damaged, but I can use it as a spare parts. So, and this transmitter is old version. I don't know. Actually, it's working. It's electricity on the transmitter, so we can try to put this my battery, and the charging is set a bit different. So I think this is a different transmitter, but I think we do it the same. Maybe, I don't know. And we have a bib. But the transmitter is working. Oh, it's very sensitive. But this was I got in this box. But I don't think it was a good buy. The drone is below my desk. I have to, but I'm old and fat. Oh, I got it. But I can try to take it to the living room. Let's see if it can fly. So. Oh, the white is back. So. It's very strange. Something wrong with the transmitter. It flies a bit straight. Okay, but we are not flying now. There's something wrong. Take the expert off. Because I think the propeller is damaged. Okay, we give up and see what's inside the other box. And I will put the battery back. But I think we have to use this for spare parts. We have the Hubsan 108 with a motor missing. So I think we have to take a motor from here, maybe. And this box is smelling a bit. So let's see what's and how long this video been. It's 70 minutes. It have to be less 21. So let's see what's in the last box. I got this from China. And, but this was a bad buy. But I think the motors. Oh, here. I think this is the keychain camera. It is. It is the small 808 camera. It is. It's 70 gram HD from eBay, from the original manufacturer, called Electropolis, and is the wide lens version. It's 120 degrees. So my plan was to put it below or top. It has to be below, but I cannot look at this now. But I got this 808 hashtag 6 version 3. I got it from eBay, and there's some spare parts, but and some AV cables, and this is to the Android phone, but I will look at this later. But now we got it, the small keychain camera, and but I have to look the manual is online, so I will put it back here, and the video has been a long time, so I have to look how this is working. So, but this was not a good buy. It's an old version Hubsan, but I will try to take the motors out and put it in 10. And I got the soldering tools, and a few days ago I got better soldering wire, 0.3 millimeters. So I was using this, but I'm happy I got my camera, but it was a long video.